Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video tutorial I'll show you how to create awesome Windows 3D video using a Windows 10 built-in program named Windows 3D, and it's very simple, and I'll try to explain as simple as possible. If you still have any questions, feel free to hit me in the comment down below. Let's get started. First thing, I'm just going to open up that program, 3D Viewer. And then once you come over here, then you can check out the 3D library. And over here, there's a lot of option over here. See latest 3D collections, animals and insects, building structure, science fiction, fantasy, whatever, right? So, but I'm going to choose animated playful dog. Playful dog. Enter. So this is the dog. So I'm gonna create a 3D animated video out of this, and I'll show you every single steps. Okay. See over here, you can choose like different themes, but I like this one better, so you can just check it out and play around. Okay. And everything looks good. Once I'm happy, I'm gonna check out all the animation. First one, this is animation 1. Second one, animation 2. Then I'm gonna try this one, animation 3. Okay. Let's try animation 4. Wow, nice. I like this one better. Rolling dogs. Alright, let's check that animation 5. Whoa! Come on, wake up! This one is the best one I like. Pretend dog. And this is how you can create awesome Windows 3D animated video. And I hope you find some value out of this video. And if you like this video, please consider subscribe my channel, like and comment. Please do subscribe my channel. Please guys, I need your support. And until then, stay fit, and I'll be coming with another awesome video. Thanks for watching.